Welcome back. Journalist and documentary filmmaker Nupur Basu was with us earlier to share her views on dowry harassment. Focus is back on this issue after a man was jailed on Thursday on a complaint from his wife, Rama Devi. The couple have been married for just 4 months. The 30-year-old man, an engineer with a private company, denied the charge. Let's find out from Nupur what she has to say.
Unfortunately, even in 2010 in India, we seem to be, going with exactly what you said, that education is not equal to knowledge or a progressive society. And the kind of plight that you've talked about Rama Devi is in is the plight that millions of women are in this country, and it's because of the patriarchy that prevails in this country. I mean, you have a whole social view which believes that women and girl children are loss-making units, that parents have to, give a dowry to get them married, that all the money is just spent on them, but nothing comes back to the parents. You have a patriarchal view which believes that only sons can do the last rites, only sons will look after parents when they are old, and it's all linked to that.
Now, many people believe that, women tolerate abusive husbands to save their marriage. Don't you think with this is a clear example that this trend is now changing?
Well, I think Rama Devi is probably an exception. The trend is changing in urban India, but there are cases of millions of women who are still trapped in bad marriages and still trapped in all sorts of unjust situations, like their in-laws and husbands demanding that they produce only boys, only sons, a factor over which a woman does not have any control. In fact, the sex chromosome is decided by the male of the species, the husband. And this is a fact that should be written on the wall, and yet we have a distorted sex ratio in this country. And we have girls being killed. It's estimated that 7 to 8 lakh girls are being killed in India in sex-selective abortions, and that's a national shame if there ever was one.
That was journalist Nupur Basu on dowry harassment. Moving on, Tamil films Goa and Jaggubai opened in theatres today. Jaggubai is produced by Sharath Kumar and Goa is Soundarya Rajnikant's maiden production. Let's find out what these films offer their fans.
Jaggubai is a story about a father, played by Sharath Kumar, who wants to rescue his daughter, played by Shreya Saran, from her troubled life. The film is directed by K.S. Ravikumar. Sharath Kumar's role was originally offered to superstar Rajnikant. R.D. Rajshekhar handles the camera in Jaggubai, and newcomer Rafi has done the music. Goa, which was delayed by legal issues, is directed by Venkat Prabhu. The film is splashed with scenes of Goan beaches and landscape captured by cameraman Shakti Saravanan. Produced by Soundarya Rajnikant, it's her Orca Studios maiden production. Jay, Vaibhav and Sneha lead the cast. Yuvan Shankar Raja has done the music for Goa.
I've tried my best to look good and suit the role more than being glamorous. I want to suit the role because when a director gives you a character, you have to be the role. I should thank Venkat for giving me such a role, because believing in Sneha, who is a very homely girl, bringing her completely out of that image and putting her into something else it's a tough job, and he's done that.
I've tried a lot of stuff. We have all sorts of genre in this music for this particular movie. We have hip-hop, rock and folk, everything. We made sure that it should reach the masses.
A third film titled Tamil Padam also hit theatres today. The comedy film imitates the common Tamil cinema storyline. Dramatic fights, acts of revenge and sharp dialogues.
Hey, Yarani! 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 Yaar sir ninga? Yare? Siva!
R.J. Siva is the brain behind the comedy. The film is directed by Amudan and produced by Dayanidhi Alagiri.
Mr. Shiva, you got to do this job. America Ave, Ungaladan Nambir.
The three films are expected to make an impact on its audience for different reasons, but we need to wait to know how they are received by viewers. With Lalit Jude, Jay Santosh for NDTV Hindu.
You're watching NDTV Hindu. I'm Minal Shah, and that's all we have for now. Goodbye.
are running high in Andhra over the Telangana issue.
This is something which is shocking.
Confusion set in within the DMK and the Congress alliance.
DMK will support from outside.
The bipole in Tamil Nadu
witnessed unprecedented levels of violence. Team India created history for the first time ever, the best team in Test cricket.
in a shocking incident.
From Indian sea.